Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing guys is that this is the reading for the zodiac sign Pisces for the month of October 2020. Sorry for uploading it late, but second of all guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And fourth most important thing guys is that if you want to have an emergency reading, like an urgent reading on the same day, okay, I'm charging 200 USD, so you can check out in the description box below. And you can also help us and support my channel with the help of donation via PayPal and Google Pay. Okay, I'll be grateful to you guys. Let's check it out what's going on with Pisces, okay, for the month of October. Also one more thing guys, kindly help us to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Soul Tarot Prediction, and kindly just help us to cross 1000 subscribers guys. I'll be grateful to you. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's okay. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, so what's going on with Pisces in the month of October? Okay, there are a lot of cards. What's going on? Sorry guys. What's going on with Pisces in the month of October? What's going on with Pisces in the month of October? What's going on with Pisces in the month of October? Okay. Okay. Pisces, you might be dealing with a Leo energy. You are into your own power in the month of October. You are taking an action to move forward, okay, but at the same time your healing is blocked, okay, so that's the issue I'm picking up on. Okay, so what you need to do to change this situation, what you need to do, you are just focusing on your pentacles and your materialistic world. You are moving towards your victorious life in the month of October. Okay, so next question, one card for health, career and relationship. Health, career and relationship. Health, career and relationship. Okay, so there are some issues. You are going through some major spiritual awakening. You are just being patient enough, but at the same time things are not going on good. Things are upside down into your life right now, either into career or either into relationship. Okay, so things are not moving forward the way you want to. That's the problem. Okay, next, what you need to focus on, you are not thinking much about it anymore. About certain things you are not thinking, contemplating. You're just taking an action, okay, towards moving forward into your life. Okay, you are just releasing the thoughtful process, not thinking much in the month of October. Okay, so yeah, next, what your partner thinks about you. What your partner thinks about you. Your energy is all over the spread to be, your partner thinks about you that you are a devil energy, you are not a good energy. Okay, you don't know how to do self-love and self-care. That's the problem. Okay, so your partner thinks that you don't know how to do how to love yourself, Pisces. Okay, and they think that you are a devil energy, not a good personality, or your nature is not good, or issues with the obsession, or advantages, someone taking advantage of you or something like that. They think about you. Okay, and some of you might be dealing with a third party situation as well. Third party situation, that means not particularly a lover, okay, but either a lover or a parents, mother-in-law, father-in-law, neighbors, friends, okay, who are creating a chaos into this connection. Okay, so they think about you, that you are dealing with a third party situation, I guess, Pisces. Okay, that is what they think about you. Okay, so next question, what are your hopes and fears? Oh my god, guys, your energy is so fluctuating today. I mean, I cannot shuffle the cards. That's the problem. Okay, so your hopes and fears. Hopes and fears. My god, your energies are so extremely powerful today. Oh, see how many cards came up. I don't know. You are into your own part today. I don't know. So, what are your hopes and fears? 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 Okay. So, Pisces, your hope is that you're juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions. That is the fearful energy. And someone, I think you are not communicating with your partner. Less or no communication is there, and you're juggling confused, and that is your fearful energy. That comes under your fearful energy, that you have to make certain choice or decisions in the upcoming months, okay, or upcoming weeks. Maybe between 2 months to 8 months you need to make certain decisions of major decisions related to a relationship or something else. So yeah, you are juggling between two choices, two connection, two decisions, okay. And yeah, there's less or no communication. So what will be the outcome of this situation? Okay, so there's some sneaky energy, manipulative energy in the month of October you will be dealing with, and you will be disappointed. You will be moving away from a sneaky or manipulative energy, which you were disappointed from so long, okay, and you'll be moving away from this energy, okay. So yeah, so that is your outcome in the month of October, okay. So let's check it out. Few cards, oracle cards. The first one, wow, I didn't even shuffle the cards. Your energy is high. See, it's the second one, the third one. My god, guys, today is your energy. You are definitely juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions. You are thinking of traveling towards someone or something, or thinking to communicate with your partner, okay, like you have a high hope to communicate. You are hoping for that, or you are realizing a lot of facts about yourself, okay, which made you disappointed in the past. You are, going within yourself to understand why these things are happening to you, okay, and you are understanding and realizing a lot of facts and things about yourself. That's a beautiful thing. You are, going within yourself to understand that what made you disappointed, or what happened in the past, or what made you so sad about the situation, okay. So yeah, that's what you're hoping to have a communication with your partner. That one I am picking up on, okay. So yeah. Okay, the first, okay, so you are going to manifest your wishes, okay. So yeah, you're going to manifest your wishes in the month of October, okay, or you have certain wishes which is not getting fulfilled, and you are just waiting for the right time, okay. So yes. Okay, so you are just, okay, there's some sort of attachment with certain person you are having, okay, and you are realizing that you are getting to know about the situation, okay. You're getting to know about yourself. You're resting, rejuvenating, you're meditating, you're thinking about certain things, certain people into your life, and now you are gaining a lot of clarity divinely from the universe, okay. So yeah, a lot of, caring and sharing, parting people around you. You are thinking of partying, or going somewhere, spending time with your friends, or family members, or having party, enjoying, okay. So that is what you have a feeling, but you cannot have it, and that's why you are feeling somewhere disappointed. So yeah, that's the problem, okay. So yeah. Okay, guys, see. Okay, the first universal message for you. Wow, this is the first card. First time this card appeared into my reading. What are the universal message for you? We have these cards are very sticky, actually. You know. So yeah, that's the. Oh my god. Okay, so we have 3 cards more. So I'm taking this one, the second, the third, and the fourth. Okay, so let me check out what are universal messages telling you. So you, in the month of October, you need to focus. I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. So understand your fear, face it, and you will get a lot of divine guidance from the universe. Okay, the next message for you is, my vibes speak louder than my words. Okay, the third message is, through prayer and meditation I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. Okay, the last message for you guys is that when I lean towards love, I'm led. Wow, beautiful. So yeah, that's the beautiful energy I'm picking up on. Okay, so let's check it out. What's the what are the gemstone you need to deal with? Wow, universe is into your own. Wow. Oh wow. So yeah, I just need to tell you that you are into your own enthusiastic position or enthusiastic behavior. That's why cards are coming out like crazy this time. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so your gemstone for this month of October is blue chalcedony. Okay, so let me spell it out. BLUECHALCEDONY. Okay, so your question is, are you looking for inspiration? Your message from the universe is, now is the time to quieten your mind and tap into the higher frequencies of the angelic realm. By doing this, you'll release anger and frustration because you'll have tapped into inner knowing and found peace. Inner peace translates into inner beauty and reflects outward to all. Wow. So yeah, archangel for the month is Archangel Zophiel, and your gemstone looks like this. Okay, I will spelled it out so you can check it out or Google it. So your message from Archangel Zophiel to you guys is, I'm calm and at peace within myself. I embrace the oneness of all life, and my peaceful attitude promotes goodwill towards all. I am generous with my time, attention, and resources. I spread love and joy. I see beauty within me and all around me. Wow, beautiful message, guys. Okay, so yeah, this one was a beautiful message, and universal messages are also good. So whatever situation you're dealing with, I hope that gets solved first. And one more thing, guys, you are just going to be better. Okay, and one important thing, guys, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and kindly comment down below. I hope this resonated with you, because this was just a particular situation, and only 10 or 20% of the people will be resonating it with the same. So yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and see you next time, guys. This is the reading for the month of October, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationships, situationship, so kindly check out the description box below. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.